Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to see the last type of partial fraction method. Now see exercise 3.4, integration 1 upon x cube minus 1 dx. Okay, now factorize denominator by using a cube minus b cube. What are the factors of a cube minus b cube? That is a minus b in the first bracket, in second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So this can be written as 1 upon x minus 1, a minus b, a square, that is x square plus x plus 1, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, a equal to x, b equal to 1. So now we can solve this integral by using partial fraction. So take this term 1 upon x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equal to a upon first factor x minus 1 plus bx plus c. We are using two constants, non-quadratic factors, x square plus x plus 1. Say this equation 1. On right hand side, take LCM. After taking LCM, we are taking the cross multiplication. Then denominator becomes same. So simplify this. 1 is equal to a into x square plus x plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Okay, 1 is equal to multiply by ax square plus ax plus a, here multiply by bx plus c to x minus 1. So bx into x, bx square, bx into minus 1 minus bx, c into x, cx, c into minus 1 minus c. Now on right hand side, collect the terms of x square first. This is x square, this is x square. Coefficients are a plus b into x square. Then collect the terms of x. x की term, x का coefficient a, यहाँ पे x का coefficient, so it is my bx square minus bx minus b plus c into x, then remaining constants plus a minus c. Okay, now equating the powers of the variables, equating the coefficients of powers of variable and constant. So here coefficient of x square is a plus b. On left hand side, term of x square is not there, it means it is 0x square. So take a plus b equal to 0, first equation. Now in the second term, coefficient of x, a minus b plus c, terms of x is also absent, so its coefficient is 0, and remaining constants a minus c is equal to 1. Now convert this into two constants, a plus b equal to 0. From this we can write a equal to minus b or b equal to minus a. So take b equal to minus a. So this is a plus b equal to minus a plus c equal to 0, 2a plus c equal to 0. Now solve these two equations. 2a plus c equal to 0 and a minus c equal to 0. Take addition. Adding these two equations, so you will get 2a minus c is 1. So adding this equation, 3a equal to 1, therefore you will get a equal to 1 by 3. 3a equal to 1, a equal to 1 by 3. B equal to minus a, so b is minus 1 by 3. Now find c. From third equation, a equal to 1 plus c, c equal to a minus 1, c equal to a minus 1, a is 1 by 3 minus 1, so 1 minus 3 is minus 2 by 3, c equal to minus 2 by 3, a equal to 1 by 3, b equal to minus 1 by 3, c equal to minus 2 by 3. Now this from 1, substitute the values of a, b, c in equation 1. Equation 1 becomes 1 upon x minus 1 x square plus x plus 1 is equal to a. A is 1 upon 3 divided by x minus 1 plus bx plus c. B is minus 1 by 3 x plus c is minus 2 by 3 upon x square plus x plus 1. Okay, now this LHS is our given integral. So given integral becomes I is equal to integration 1 by 3 upon 1 by 3 upon x minus 1 dx plus bx plus c. This is minus 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. You can take minus sign outside. So we will get 1 by 3x plus 2 by 3 upon x square plus x plus 1 dx. Now take the separate integration. 1 by 3 integration 1 upon x minus 1 dx. By taking separate integration, minus this 1 by 3x, take 1 by 3 outside, you will get x plus 2. 1 by 3, so this will get x plus 2 upon x square plus x plus 1 dx. Now here we have to adjust the derivative. So this type is integration px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c dx is, first step, adjust the derivative. Derivative of denominator is 2x plus 1. So first multiply by 2. So this becomes 1 by 3 log x minus 1. Its integration minus 1 by 3. Here multiply by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2x plus 4 upon x square plus x plus 1 dx. So this is 1 by 3 log x minus 1 minus 1 by 6. Its derivative is 2x plus 1. So add and subtract 1. So it becomes 2x plus 1 minus 1 plus 4 upon x square plus x plus 1 dx. Now here we have taken the integration, so write down plus c1. So plus c1. So this I is equal to 1 by 3 log x minus 1 minus 1 by 6 integration 2x plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 dx. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 into 1. 3 into integration 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 dx. Now here use the formula integration f dash x upon fx dx is log of mod of fx. And for the last term, find the third term. How we can find the third term? Half into coefficient of x. half into coefficient of x is 1. So half into 1 is half. Half square, that is 1 by 4. So here add and subtract 1 by 4 in the denominator. So here is plus c1. 1 by 3 log x minus 1 minus 1 by 6 log of mod of x square plus x plus 1 plus 3 integration 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 1 by 4. Adding and subtracting 1 by 4. So it becomes 1 by 3 log of mod of x minus 1 minus 1 by 6 log of mod of x square plus x plus 1 plus 3 integration. Now it's simplification. So it is first term ka square root, second ka sine, third ka square root. So it is x plus half whole square. Now 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. Write down 3 by 4 in the square form. So 3 by 4 we can write root 3 by 2 whole square. And now here use the formula. Integration 1 upon x square plus a square dx is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So this becomes I is equal to 1 by 3 log of x minus 1 minus 1 by 6 log of x square plus x plus 1 plus 3 upon a, 1 by a. So 1 by root 3 by 2. 1 by root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3. 1 upon root 3 by 2. So it is 2 upon root 3. 2 upon root 3. Tan inverse x upon a, x plus half upon root 3 upon 2 plus c. Now you can simplify this. It becomes 2x plus 1 upon root 3 and this becomes 1 by 3 log of x minus 1 minus 1 by 6 log of x square plus x plus 1 plus, so it is 2 root 3 tan inverse, it becomes 2x plus 1 upon root 3 plus c. Okay, this is the required answer. Okay, here 3 upon root 3 is root 3, so it becomes 2 root 3, isn't it? Okay, now you can take the screenshot. Now we will take the next one. In the next question is similar, but one thing is different. We have to take the substitution and differentiate that substitution and solve in the similar manner. Okay, take a screenshot. Okay, now we'll take the next one. Okay, now the next question is integration I equal to 5 e raised to x upon e raised to x plus 1 into e raised to 2x plus 9 dx. Now here take the substitution. What is the substitution here? Put e raised to x equal to t, because derivative of e raised to x is adjustable. So put e raised to x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x into dx is equal to dt. So the new integral is 5 upon, this is t plus 1, and another factor is e raised to 2x means e raised to x ka whole square, that is t square plus 9 dt. But we are unable to factorize t square plus 9, so use the two constants at the same times. Take this term 5 upon t plus 1 into t square plus 9 is equal to आएगा a upon t plus 1 plus bt in plus c upon t square plus 9. Say this equation 1. After taking the LCM, take cross multiplication. 5 is equal to a into t square plus 9 plus bt plus c into t plus 1. Now simplify this. 5 equal to 80 square plus 9a plus bt into t, bt square, bt into 1 plus bt plus ct plus c. Now collect the terms of t square first. It is a plus b into t square. Then collect the terms of t. bt plus ct means b plus c into t. Then remaining constants 9a plus c. Equating the terms, equating the coefficient of variables. ओके, टी स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट a प्लस बी यहाँ पे नहीं है, इसका मतलब 0. सो a प्लस बी इक्वल टू 0, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. टी का कोएफिशिएंट b प्लस सी, टी का टर्म नहीं, इसका मतलब 0. थर्ड कांस्टेंट 9a प्लस सी, कांस्टेंट इज 5. Okay, this equation is 9a plus c in two variables. Now we have to convert this variation. A equal to a plus b equal to 0. So take b equal to minus a. b equal to minus a. b equal to minus a लिया तो minus a plus c equal to 0. Now add, subtract these two equations. Subtracting किया तो क्या आएगा? 9a plus c equal to 5 minus a plus c equal to 0. Take subtraction, plus minus minus. 9a plus a, 10a equal to 5. So therefore a equal to 5 upon 10. That is 1 by 2. A is 1 by 2. B equal to minus a. So it is minus 1 by 2. Now find C. Minus a plus c equal to 0. Minus a का वैल्यू माइनस हाफ, माइनस माइनस हाफ प्लस c इक्वल टू 0. Therefore c इक्वल टू माइनस हाफ. माइनस माइनस प्लस, अगेन माइनस. c इक्वल टू माइनस हाफ, b इक्वल टू माइनस हाफ एंड a इक्वल टू हाफ. फ्रॉम 1 क्या आएगा इक्वेशन? 5 अपॉन t plus 1 into t square plus 9 is equal to, substitute the values. A is 1 upon 2 t minus 1, sorry, t plus 1, 1 upon 2 into t plus 1 plus bt plus c. b is minus half, c is a minus half, plus minus half t minus half upon t square plus 9. LHS is our given integral. Now take the integration. Half upon t plus 1, take minus sign, half t plus half upon t square plus 9 dt. Now take the separate integration. So this becomes half into integration 1 upon t plus 1 dt minus half, इसका डेरिवेटिव आएगा 2t, अगेन मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाई 2, 1/2 इंटू 2t अपॉन t स्क्वायर प्लस 9 dt. So this again becomes minus half integration 1 upon t square plus 9 means t square plus 3 square dt. Now take the integration. Its integration is half log t plus 1 minus 1/4. Integration f dash x upon fx dx is log of mod of fx log of mod of t square plus 9 minus half. Use the formula integration 1 upon x square plus a square. So it is minus half into 1 by a tan inverse x by a t plus t upon 3 plus. Simplify and put t is equal to e raised to x. So this I is equal to half log of mod of e raised to x plus 1 minus 1/4 log of mod of t square means e raised to 2x plus 9 minus 1/6 tan inverse e raised to x upon 3 plus 3. Okay, this is the required answer. Okay, now to the next lecture we'll start definite integration. Okay, see you.